Hello friends, thanks for clicking. That's me RD. I'm outdoor now and I'm in my yard and I'm going to show you my little cherry tree. But take a look, what a beautiful cherries hanging on this tree. It's wonderful, it's already ripe and I'm going to take one. Wow, it's so ripe, it's wonderful. That's fantastic. Oh my gosh. Hello, Mansour Ali. Hello, dear friend. Wow, just look, look here. It is red. It's almost brown, but how delicious. I never ate it before because it is young tree and I wanna to take it first time. Mmm, delicious, fantastic. Wow. Mm, mm, wonderful. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a beautiful time. Uh, be happy and healthy. Bye bye. See you.